All right, welcome back. We're going to do the Unit 1, Day 3 homework. We're going to start with page 27 in your booklets. And we're going to fill out this chart. Remember, you're given parts of it, and you're supposed to fill out the rest. Okay, your atomic number is going to be equal to the number of protons, which is equal to the number of electrons. So if I look at number 1, my atomic number is 5. That means I have 5 protons and 5 electrons. To find the neutrons, I need the average atomic mass, and I have to round that to make it whole. So I'm going to go find atomic number 5. Where are we at? 5, right there. That's boron. So 10.81 is my mass. So to find the number of neutrons, I have 10.81 rounded is 11 minus 5. That's 6 neutrons. Okay, that was boron as my element. Boom, number 1 done. Number 3, I'm going to skip around because you're supposed to do most of these. Number 3, cadmium. My atomic number is 48, which means I have 48 protons and 48 electrons. Okay, cadmium has a symbol. Where's cadmium? There it is. Symbol is CD, and its mass is 112.41. So it's CD, mass is 112.41. Okay, to find the number of neutrons, I round my mass number. So 112.41 is rounded to 112 minus 48. And I'm not great with mental math, so I'm going to find my calculator. 112 minus 48 is 64. That's how many neutrons I have. All right, number 5, I'm given the number of protons. My number of protons is equal to the number of electrons, which is 39. That's also my atomic number, so I'm going to put it over here. Okay, let's go find what 39 is. 39 is yttrium. So, yttrium is Y-T-T-R-U-M. Yttrium. Okay, its symbol is a big Y. All right, its mass, I didn't look at that, is 88.906. So my mass will round to 89 minus 39, which is 50. 50 neutrons. Okay, and the last one I'm going to do is sulfur. Sulfur has a symbol of S. I'm given the number of protons, which is 16, so that's my electrons, and that's also my atomic number. Let's go find its mass, though. Let's go find sulfur. There it is. So my mass is going to be 32.06. Okay, to find the number of neutrons, I take my mass, 32 minus 16. 32 minus 16 is 16. Boom, that's how many neutrons I have. So remember, on your neutrons, you cannot have decimals, so you must round your mass. Round the mass. All right, let's look at all these. Let's do 11. Then we'll do 13. Then we'll do 18 and 20. Let's do those. Okay, number 11. If an atom has 28 protons, what element is it? Okay, so let's go find number 28. Oh, there it is. Nickel. So I'm going to put its symbol there. It is nickel. Okay, that means it also has 28 protons and electrons. Okay, your atomic number is equal to the number of protons, which is also equal to the number of electrons in a neutral atom. Okay, number 13, the atomic mass is 79.904. How many neutrons are present? So I have 79.904. I'm going to round that to 80. But I need an atomic number to solve for how many neutrons there are. So I'm going to go find what has a mass of that. We're going to go numerical order. There, boom, 79.904 is bromine. So I need that atomic number 35. 80 minus 35 is 45. I have 45 neutrons. All right, number 18. If a neutral atom has 10 protons and 11 neutrons, how many electrons does it have? Well, I know my acronym APE. Remember, A equals P equals E. So my atomic number equals my protons equals my electrons. So I have 10 electrons. And what element is it? I don't know. Let's go look. So I'm going to find something with an atomic number of 10 and boom, that's neon. So element is neon. A neutral element, or on number 20 now. A neutral element has 46 electrons. What element is it? So back over here to the ape, if I have 46 electrons, that means I have 46 as my atomic number. Okay, so I'm going to go find what has an atomic number of 46. Need to go backwards a little. Okay, a little bit. Boom, palladium. So it's PD. PD, palladium. Okay, is it a metal or a non-metal? Okay, there's this beautiful thick staircase that's over here by boron and aluminum. Okay, that staircase separates my metals and non-metals. Everything to the left-hand side is a metal, and everything to the right is a non-metal. So since palladium lands in the big middle of my metals, I know that that is a metal. Okay. All right, let's look at this next part. Using the Bohr models here and your periodic table, identify the following elements. So you're going to write the symbol for each one on the blank above each Bohr model. This is super easy. All you have to do is look at the number of protons for each atom. Remember, your protons are like your social security number. Oops. Your social security number. It identifies your atom. All right, so I'm going to do A, E, and C. You can do the rest. All right, A has 11 protons. So let's find what has an atomic number of 11. And that's sodium. Okay. C has 12 protons. So I'm going to go find what has 12 protons. And right there next to it is magnesium, which is Mg. All right, and the last one has 3 protons. That's E down there. 3 protons is Li, lithium. Oh, no. Where did it go? There we go. Lithium. All right, down here, let's play with some isotopes. Okay, I'm going to do 7, 9, and 18. How about that? That sounds great. All right, number 7. An isotope, this got cut off here, isotope. An isotope has 8 protons, 8 electrons, and 7 neutrons. What is the proper name for this isotope? So remember, my isotopic notation is the element name dash mass number. Okay, so I have 8 protons. Let's find the element name. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 right there. So it's going to be clicking on the wrong thing. So it's going to be oxygen. That means C and D are out. All right, but A and B both have oxygen. I know I have 8 protons, 8 electrons, and 8 neutrons. So I need to go find my mass number now. All right, my mass number is equal to the number of protons plus neutrons. So I'm going to add 8 plus 7 is 15. So that's my mass number. So that means A is out and B is my answer. All right, number 9. Lead-206 is a byproduct of a certain nuclear reaction. How many neutrons and electrons does it have? Okay, let's go look at lead-206. So that 206 is my mass number, so I already know I need to subtract something. I need to go find my atomic number for lead. Lead has a special symbol. It's Pb, stands for plumbium, which is the, I think it's Latin name for lead. All right, but lead has an atomic number of 82. So I have 82 electrons. Okay, to find the neutrons, I take 206 minus 82, and that's going to be 124 neutrons. Okay? Number 18, which properly represents the aluminum-27 isotope? Let's go look at aluminum real quick. Aluminum has an atomic number of 13. So I know I have 13 protons. Okay, so A is 13 protons, B has 13 protons, C does not, so I automatically know C is out, and neither does D, so D is out. So now I need to check, do I have 14 or 13 neutrons? Okay, my mass number is 27. So if I want to find the number of neutrons, I'm going to subtract my protons. So 27 minus 13 is 14. I have 14 neutrons. So that means my answer would be A. Ta-da! Thank you for watching my video. Make sure you go take care of your homework, the rest of it, and you're going to show it to me whenever I return to class. Bye!